Hello and welcome to this SMS back-office video presentation. In this session, we're going to take a look at who we are here at SIR Solutions and what we have to offer for your store back office. We are a local Canadian company founded in 1995. With 125 employees and offices in Montreal as well as in Markham, we've been around for over 20 years and are a national leader in the Canadian POS retail market. We are both recognized and recommended by Bulloch as a strong back office solution. With more than 3,400 installations and a combined total of over 13,600 points of sale, we hold a solid and respectable client retention and satisfaction rate. SMS incorporates an all-in-one design, where a single application controls the various aspects of your business. Everything from stock and wet stock management to store management and customer engagement is all managed through the same SMS database. No need for switching between different platforms to manage these various aspects. This single core platform includes everything that relates to the buying, selling, or management processes. The purchasing process is complete and robust, encompassing inventory control with purchasing and receiving processes, suggestive ordering, vendor catalogs, DSD, and the ability to incorporate a mobile device into the process to facilitate many tasks. In terms of the selling process, SMS excels at generating many types of promotions and is compatible with kiosks and mobile apps, among other alternative POS hardware. SMS fully manages your database. All transactional information is logged and stored, which allows for a multitude of report varieties, including forecasting and an electronic journal. Labor and warehouse management can also be controlled and monitored. Finally, SMS boasts full labeling capabilities, being able to print out an array of differently sized labels or promotional signage. Like any company that cares about its clients, we make sure to offer premium quality support, and we make it a priority to deliver excellent customer service. Available 18 hours a day, 7 days a week, our support staff can be reached either by phone or by email and are always ready to cater to your needs to make sure your store maintains efficient and dependable functionality. We pride ourselves in offering excellent and efficient after-sales support and a close and intimate partnership with our clients. So what does the SMS back office offer you? Well, let's take a look. SMS back office offers enormous amounts of data regarding your database, whether it concerns your item price book, customer accounts, or fuel prices. Among other things, SMS will manage your items, departments, sub-departments, and bottle deposits, as well as manage the permission or restriction of sales based on the time of day or even the client's age. Items can be consulted by simply doing a search in SMS Pro. Type in the UPC code or the item's description in the appropriate fields and execute the search to see the results. Over here, we can see the search results. Select the item to view its information. This section displays the chosen item's details. Identifying information is found here in the main table. This includes the item's description, format, as well as various classification and grouping information. With SMS, on top of using subdepartments and departments, you can choose to group your items in a variety of manners to facilitate your searches or to get precise reporting on specific items. Over here, we see categories, families, and report codes that are all different grouping types that are available. This next section, called the POS table, is responsible for the behavior that an item will have when being sold at the lane. It includes the item's description, as it is found on the POS as well as on the receipt, its associated subdepartment, bottle deposit value, and tax information. Because SMS uses subdepartments, it's possible to be much more precise when looking at item sales, being able to further categorize items and pull related reports in a deeper way. In the POS table, there are even options to control the required client age or hourly restrictions imposed on the sale of a specific item, like tobacco or alcohol, for example. Taxes are controlled here and can be set as standard taxes or as included taxes, as would be the case for gas. Finally, there's also the option to force a price confirmation at the lane, prompting the cashier to input or confirm the price on specific items. This is the price table. As the name implies, this controls your various pricing options. SMS allows for multiple simultaneous pricing options, allowing tons of flexibility in how you can set your promotions or standard pricing. Setting up prices or promotions is as easy as typing in the price. With SMS, promotions have the added benefit of also being date-bound, meaning that you can set the start date and the end date for any promotion. That way, promotions can be set up well in advance, and SMS will automatically send the updated prices as soon as a promo becomes active or inactive. Some options include setting up a package price or mix and match. Commonly used for items such as energy drinks, chips, or alcohol, you can set up prices like 2 for $5 or 3 for $6. The prices will transfer via the price book straight into Bulloch. With SMS, you can see and manage all of your package prices, mix and matches, or other promotion configurations by searching for the associated grouping. Electronic coupons can also be managed in SMS. There are 5 types of e-coupons with interchangeable variables that are available. For example, you can buy X liters of gas, get an item free. Buy 1 or 2 items, get 1 free. When buying X liters of gas, get a discount per liter. Buy items A and B and get C free. Or buy 30 liters of gas and get a $2 rebate on a car wash. If connected to a head office, using SMS back office also allows you to be up to date with the banner's prices and promotions, so you can rely on what the head office has already established for pricing and promotions while still retaining the ability to personally manage your prices as needed. This provides a scale of flexibility in terms of how much micromanaging you wish to do. Prices can be easily changed by selecting the field you want and changing the value. You can also generate and monitor your own prices based on profit margins to make sure you're making the amounts you need for your business to stay healthy. Changing multiple prices at once? SMS offers several ways of updating prices en masse. The last item table is the cost table. From here you can manage everything from the vendors or suppliers that an item is ordered from to the item's case and unit costs, including freight charges. Inventory values are also visible from this table. SMS can manage customer accounts in a variety of manners. Customer information can be entered and modified using the SMS back office and then deployed to your Bulloch front end. Creating and modifying customer accounts is simple, only needing an account number and a client or company name. Though not deployed to Bulloch, SMS has other available information which includes client credit limits, applicable discounts, as well as all general customer information and coordinates which can be used for consultation purposes or for sending statements. The more information you put in, the more information you'll have when pulling reports or statements. Gas prices can be consulted in SMS, but not changed. Bulloch manages price changes, which will then automatically deploy towards SMS to make sure both systems are always up to date and in sync. Balancing can be done directly using SMS back office. You'll notice that in this module, any and all tenders that were used will show, allowing you to verify that the recorded amounts are correct. After balancing in this module, a wealth of reports are available in the reports section, from specific operator short and over reports to store-wide multi-total reports. On top of these topics that have already been discussed, SMS back office also has the full capacity of managing your store's inventory from the moment of reception all the way to the sale of an item. Inventory is tracked on a unit basis and can be controlled simply on specific items, or entire departments, or even the whole store at once if needed. SMS can manage the ordering process and make order suggestions depending on your inventory levels and control options, or it can make suggestions based on your sales trends over a defined period of time. Throughout the process, you retain the ability to see what your current inventory value is, what your previous orders consisted of, and what was received or sold. Reporting in SMS is quite diverse. Boasting over 300 reports, SMS tracks all kinds of data. Standard reports include sales reports by department or sub-department or item, and can be filtered by day, month, or year. There are also financial reports focused on specific operators, such as sales exceptions, discounts, price modifications, short and over reports, or reports concerning the store as a whole. On top of standard reports, SMS has various cube reports, which are more interactive, allowing you to drill down from top-level information down to the granular item level. A very important feature that SMS has is the ability to set up alerts, or watches, on items, subdepartments, and other values. A watch allows you to track the sales of an item and set up thresholds. When these thresholds are exceeded, SMS will alert you. There are many ways that watches can be set up, but two common examples include on the quantity of an item being sold or on a profit margin. You can set a watch based on a margin to alert you if it falls under a set threshold, allowing you to make the appropriate interventions. When alerted, not only will the field be highlighted, but there's also the option of having a notice appear in SMS or even sent by email. The last form of reporting comes through the electronic journal, which allows you to sift through transactions and see their details. The electronic journal allows you to see nearly all elements of a transaction, from the transaction totals to the specific items that were sold. It's an excellent tool to monitor the activities happening in your store. So what good are these features if you don't know how to properly use them? Fortunately, we've got you covered with our detailed training videos. Here's a snippet of the quality you can expect to see from these videos, developed in-house. Hello and welcome to another SIR video tutorial. Today we will be looking at how to create and modify operator numbers for use in SMS and SMS Pro. And then choose Operator. This will open up a new window in which operators can be created or modified. To create a new entry, click on the plus sign. This will add a new line with blank fields. There are three essential fields that must be filled in order to properly create a new user: number, level, and short name. Hovering over the field, you'll notice a question mark appearing, designated that when double-clicked, various options will be displayed. In this case, we will either use cashier or manager. We offer a modular, customized solution focused on having a return on investment. This means that you can pick and choose the features and modules that are best suited to your needs. From a basic setup to a fully comprehensive back-office inventory solution, our goal is to make it easy for you to get the solution that makes the most sense for your business. This can be offered as a term-based monthly fee through financing or offered as a SaaS or software as a service. Thank you for taking the time to tune in and view this presentation.